Have you heard the latest culinary buzz? Mumbai Fried Rice is taking the world by storm. From street food stalls to fine dining restaurants, this dish is creating a stir. Food bloggers are raving about it. Social media is flooded with mouth-watering pictures.
But what's all the hype about? Well, Mumbai Fried Rice is more than just a trendy dish. It's an explosion of flavors, a symphony of textures, and a testament to the vibrant culinary heritage of Mumbai.
The popularity of Mumbai fried rice goes beyond its trendy status. It's a dish deeply rooted in the culture and culinary landscape of Mumbai. This bustling metropolis, known for its fast-paced life and diverse population, has a street food scene that's legendary.
Mumbai Fried Rice, with its quick preparation and explosion of flavors, embodies the spirit of the city. It's a testament to the ingenuity of Mumbai's street food vendors, who have perfected the art of creating delicious and satisfying meals on the go.
In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you on a culinary journey to the heart of Mumbai. We'll unravel the history and significance of Mumbai fried rice. You'll discover the secrets to recreating this iconic dish in your own kitchen.
Get ready to learn about the key ingredients that give Mumbai Fried Rice its unique flavor. We'll guide you through each step of the preparation and cooking process.
Mumbai, formerly known as Bombay, is a city that pulsates with energy. It's a melting pot of cultures, a whirlwind of experiences, and a paradise for food lovers. The city's street food in particular is legendary, reflecting its diverse communities and their culinary traditions.
Among the many iconic dishes that have emerged from Mumbai's vibrant street food scene, Mumbai Fried Rice holds a special place. More than just a dish, Mumbai Fried Rice embodies the spirit of the city itself. Number 1. A fusion of cultures. The beauty of Mumbai. Fried rice lies in its ability to transcend culinary boundaries. It's a dish that reflects the city's history as a trading port, where flavors and ingredients from different parts of the world converged and intertwined. While fried rice has its roots in Chinese cuisine, Mumbai's version is a unique adaptation, infused with the distinct flavors and spices that define Indian cooking.
The use of aromatic spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder adds a warm and earthy depth to the dish. The addition of green chilies and ginger provides a fiery kick that awakens the palate.
Number 2. The rise of a street food icon. From its humble beginnings on the bustling streets of Mumbai, Mumbai Fried Rice has become a global phenomenon. What started as a quick and affordable meal for the city's working class has evolved into a beloved dish enjoyed by people from all walks of life. Today, Mumbai Fried Rice can be found on the menus of countless restaurants, not just in India, but around the world.
This adaptability has contributed to its widespread appeal, making it a favorite among home cooks and professional chefs alike. Despite its global fame, Mumbai Fried Rice remains deeply rooted in its street food origins.
Number 3. Gathering your culinary arsenal. Creating Mumbai Fried Rice at home is an adventure in itself, a journey that begins with assembling the key ingredients. First, you'll need rice, the foundation of this culinary masterpiece. Long-grain basmati rice, known for its fragrant aroma and fluffy texture, is the ideal choice. Next, we'll delve into the world of vegetables. Think crunchy carrots, vibrant bell peppers, and sweet green peas.
Of course, no Mumbai fried rice is complete without its signature blend of spices. With these ingredients in hand, you're ready to embark on your Mumbai fried rice adventure.
Number 4. Rice. The key to exceptional Mumbai fried rice lies in perfectly cooked rice. It should be cooked al dente, each grain separate and fluffy, yet firm enough to hold its shape during stir-frying. Begin by rinsing the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Combine the rinsed rice with water in a pot, using a ratio of 1 to 1.5 rice to water. Once cooked, fluff the rice gently with a fork and spread it out on a baking sheet to cool completely. Remember, perfectly cooked rice is the foundation of a delicious Mumbai fried rice. Number 5. A symphony of vegetables. The beauty of Mumbai. Fried rice lies in its versatility. While carrots, bell peppers, and green peas are classic choices, feel free to experiment with other vegetables you enjoy. Ensure your vegetables are cut into uniform sizes to ensure even cooking. Wash and chop your chosen vegetables, keeping them separate to maintain their individual flavors during stir-frying. Aim for a balanced ratio of rice to vegetables, ensuring each bite is a harmonious blend of textures and flavors. Number 5. The heart of the flavor, the soul of Mumbai. Fried rice lies in its aromatic spice blend. Turmeric, with its earthy aroma and vibrant yellow hue, forms the base of the spice blend. Cumin and coriander powder add a warm, nutty flavor, while a touch of red chili powder provides a gentle kick. Fresh ginger, garlic, and green chilies play a vital role in adding a pungent kick and a burst of freshness to the dish. The amount of green chilies can be adjusted to suit your spice preference, but a little heat is essential to capture the true essence of Mumbai street food. Number 6. The dance of heat and oil. Now that our ingredients are prepped and ready, it's time to fire up the stove and begin the exhilarating process of cooking. Mumbai fried rice, like a well-choreographed dance, demands precision and timing. Place the wok or pan over medium-high heat and allow it to warm up for a minute. Once heated, drizzle in a generous amount of oil, about 2 tablespoons. The high heat ensures that the ingredients cook quickly and evenly, preserving their vibrant colors and textures. Number 7. Awakening the aromas. With the oil shimmering invitingly, it's time to introduce the aromatic trinity of ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Add the finely chopped or grated ginger and garlic to the hot oil. Stir the ginger and garlic continuously for about 30 seconds, ensuring that they don't burn. Now, add the chopped green chilies, adjusting the quantity based on your spice preference. Continue to stir-fry for another 30 seconds, allowing the aromas of these key ingredients to permeate the oil and infuse the entire dish with their intoxicating fragrance. Number 7. The rice takes center stage. Now, it's time for the star of the show to take center stage, the perfectly cooked basmati rice. Gently slide the cooled, fluffed rice into the wok or pan, ensuring that it doesn't splash the hot oil. Using a wide spatula or a pair of chopsticks, toss the rice gently, coating each grain evenly with the seasoned oil. As you stir-fry, the rice will begin to absorb the flavors of the ginger, garlic, green chilies, and the spice-infused oil. This is where the magic of Mumbai fried rice truly comes alive, as the rice becomes a blank canvas, ready to be painted with a symphony of flavors. Number 8. Seasoning. With the rice now beautifully coated in the seasoned oil, it's time to introduce the remaining ingredients and orchestrate the grand finale of our Mumbai fried rice symphony. First, add the prepared vegetables, ensuring that they're evenly distributed throughout the rice. Stir-fry the vegetables and rice together for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the vegetables to soften slightly while retaining their crunch. Now, sprinkle in the ground spice blend, turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder. Toss everything together, ensuring that the spices are evenly distributed, and coat every grain of rice and every morsel of vegetable. Number 9. The art of seasoning. As the aromas of our Mumbai fried rice intensify, it's time to fine-tune the flavors and bring everything into perfect harmony. Seasoning is not just about adding salt, it's about achieving a balance that tantalizes the taste buds. First, taste a small amount of the rice. Does it need a touch more salt to bring out the inherent sweetness of the vegetables? Add a pinch at a time, tasting as you go, until the flavors sing. The beauty of Mumbai fried rice lies in its adaptability. Feel free to experiment and adjust the seasonings to suit your palate, creating a dish that is uniquely yours. Number 10. The delicate dance of soy sauce. Section 2. The delicate dance of soy sauce. Soy sauce adds complexity and depth to our Mumbai fried rice. Use it sparingly and with a discerning hand. Too much can overpower other flavors and make the dish too salty. Start with a teaspoon of light soy sauce. Toss gently to coat the grains evenly. Observe the subtle color change and taste. Add more if needed, but proceed with caution. Number 11. A Symphony of Senses. Section 3, the finishing touches, a symphony of senses. As the Mumbai fried rice nears completion, it's time to add the finishing touches that will elevate it from a simple meal to a feast for the senses. Fresh cilantro, with its vibrant green color and citrusy aroma, is the perfect garnish for our culinary masterpiece. Sprinkle the chopped cilantro over the rice, using it as a vibrant green confetti to celebrate our culinary journey. For added texture and flavor, serve with roasted cashews or peanuts. Number 12. Serving your Mumbai masterpiece. Section 1. Serving your Mumbai masterpiece. Your Mumbai fried rice, now a symphony of colors and aromas, is ready to be presented to the world. Dish it out onto plates, using a large spoon to scoop generous portions. Don't be afraid to pile it high. The sight of this bountiful dish is sure to whet the appetite. Remember the roasted cashews or peanuts? Now's the time to sprinkle them generously over each serving. Their toasty flavor and satisfying crunch add another dimension of texture and taste to the dish. A wedge of lime on the side is the perfect finishing touch. A squeeze of its tangy juice over the rice just before eating adds a burst of refreshing acidity, cutting through the richness of the dish and awakening the palate. Number 13, a feast for all occasions. Section 2, a feast for all occasions. One of the most endearing qualities of Mumbai fried rice is its versatility. It's a dish that effortlessly transitions from a quick weeknight dinner to a crowd-pleasing centerpiece for a casual gathering. Imagine serving this fragrant rice alongside a simple lentil soup for a comforting and wholesome meal, or pair it with a spicy chicken curry for a more elaborate feast. For a vegetarian delight, grilled paneer or crispy vegetable pakoras make excellent accompaniments. And don't forget a cooling raita, a yogurt-based dip with cucumber and mint, to balance the spice and richness of the rice. Number 14, exploring culinary horizons. The beauty of Mumbai fried rice lies in its adaptability. Once you've mastered the basic recipe, don't be afraid to embark on your own culinary adventures and customize it to your liking. Add protein to transform it into a more substantial meal. Diced chicken, shrimp, or tofu can be stir-fried separately and added to the rice in the final minutes of cooking. Or for a vegetarian twist, scrambled eggs make a protein-packed and flavorful addition. Explore different vegetable combinations depending on what's in season. Asparagus, broccoli florets, or even chopped spinach can bring unique flavors and textures to your Mumbai fried rice. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. Number 15, a taste of Mumbai, wherever you are. As you savor the final bite of your homemade Mumbai fried rice, you'll find yourself transported to the bustling streets of Mumbai, the air thick with the aroma of spices and the sounds of street vendors calling out their wares. This dish, with its vibrant flavors and satisfying textures, is a testament to the ingenuity of Mumbai's street food culture, a culinary tradition that has captured the hearts and taste buds of food lovers around the world. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking novice, recreating this iconic dish in your own kitchen is an adventure worth embarking on. So, gather your ingredients, fire up the stove, and get ready to experience the magic of Mumbai fried rice, a dish that promises a culinary journey like no other. There you have it, a journey through the heart of Mumbai, culminating in a plate of fragrant, flavorful Mumbai fried rice. This dish, a testament to the city's vibrant street food culture, is easier to recreate than you might think. With fresh ingredients and our step-by-step guide, you've unlocked the secret to a dish that's sure to impress. Imagine presenting this colorful, aromatic rice dish to your family and friends. The compliments will flow as they savor the blend of spices and perfectly cooked rice. But Mumbai fried rice is more than just a recipe. It's an experience, a journey for the senses that transports you to the bustling streets of Mumbai. With each bite, you'll experience the perfect balance of sweet, salty, spicy, and savory flavors that define this iconic dish. You'll appreciate the ingenuity of Mumbai's street food vendors who, with limited resources and boundless creativity, transformed simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece that has captured the hearts and taste buds of people worldwide. And as you share this dish with loved ones, you'll be sharing a piece of Mumbai's rich culinary heritage, a tradition that celebrates the joy of food, the spirit of community, and the art of transforming simple ingredients into something truly extraordinary. So go ahead, embrace the Mumbai spirit in your own kitchen. Experiment with different vegetable combinations, spice levels, and protein additions to create a version of Mumbai fried rice that reflects your personal taste. Don't be afraid to get creative and make this recipe your own. Invite friends and family to join you on your culinary adventure, sharing stories and laughter as you cook together and savor the fruits of your labor. And remember, the most important ingredient in any dish is love. Cook with passion, experiment with joy, and embrace the vibrant flavors of Mumbai, one delicious bite at a time. Your culinary journey awaits. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.